How are you? I hope you all are fine and understand the concept properly of chapter chemical bonding from your syllabus. Now our next topic is the energy level diagram. Beta, this energy level diagram is represent only for molecular orbital that explain the energies of molecular orbital, which molecular orbital have less energy, which have more energy, and energy level diagram in your syllabus for homodiatomic molecules. And these homodiatomic molecules may be hydrogen, helium, maybe hydrogen, maybe helium, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. Now, before studying the energy level diagram of these molecules, before drawing these, beta, you will understand the energy level diagram. Write down the electronic configuration of molecule, then magnetic behavior. Magnetic behavior is only two. Magnetic behavior is only two, either paramagnetic or diamagnetic. If it is paramagnetic, that means it have at least one unpaired electron in molecular orbital, not atomic orbital. And diamagnetic, that means all electrons are paired. None of the electron is unpaired. And calculate the bond order. Bond order, you know very well, number of bonds between two atoms is the bond order. And if you want to calculate, beta, it will be calculated on the basis of formula half of number of bonding electron minus number of anti-bonding electron. Beta, in molecular orbital theory, I will explain you that two atomic orbital overlap, two new orbitals are formed. One is bonding molecular orbital, other is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Electron present in bonding molecular orbital is known as bonding electron, and electron present in anti-bonding molecular orbital is known as anti-bonding electron. Bonding orbital have less energy, anti-bonding have more energy. It is less stable, it is more stable. It is the difference between bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now, to start to draw the energy level diagram of diatomic molecule. Beta, first diatomic molecule is hydrogen. I explain you that hydrogen is formed but not helium. Answer is given by three methods. Valence bond theory, second orbital over concept, and third is the molecular orbital theory or energy level diagram. Beta, this molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen atom have atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1 is 1. Beta, energy level diagram, energy always increasing above side. You will write energy. Then this molecule is formed by atoms. So beta, one hydrogen atom. This is the another hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen atom have electron in 1s orbital. 1s1. Another also that will be representing same line or same level. 1s1. These are two atomic orbitals. When these two atomic orbitals overlap or combine with each other, two new orbitals are formed. One with less energy, one with more energy. The orbital formed with less energy is known as bonding molecular orbital, and the orbital formed with higher energy than atomic orbital, that is known as antibonding molecular orbital. Now we have two electrons. According to above principle, first or lowest orbital is filled, then electron jump in higher orbital. Beta, we have two electrons. An orbital can have accommodate two electrons with opposite spin. This electron and this electron come here. It will form 1s2. Now s and s orbital when overlap with each other, they give sigma bond, and our orbital is 1s sigma 1s1. It is hydrogen molecule. Now this one is empty. Beta, bonding is represented by sigma, anti-bonding is represented by sigma star. Bonding is represented by pi, anti-bonding is represented by pi star. But there is no electron. Then you will write number of bonding electron. So beta, number of bonding electron, all the electron present in bonding molecule orbital, that is 2. Number of anti-bonding electrons, answer is 0 because this is empty. You will calculate the bond order of hydrogen molecule. Beta, formula to calculate the bond order, it is half of bonding electron minus number of anti-bonding electron, that is represented by Nb minus Ne. Beta, half number of bonding electron to 0, half into 2, answer is 1. You know very well hydrogen and hydrogen combine together to give single bond. Our answer is correct. This is verification. Now beta, magnetic behavior. Now magnetic behavior. You don't see these because these electrons come here. They are now empty. You will see only molecules. 2 electrons, paired electron, 0. That means it have paired electron. Empty orbital तो लीव कर देंगे ना बेटा. Unpaired होगा तो पैरामैग्नेटिक. Unpaired है नहीं, that means diamagnetic. Nature is diamagnetic. Write down the electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule. Electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule. Beta, this is the electronic configuration of atom. Molecule is this one, that is sigma 1s2. Sigma star 1s0. Which have more energy? Anti-bonding have more energy. If you don't want to write this, then it is also okay. But it is clear, when 2 atomic orbitals are formed, 2 new orbitals are formed. So, rule wise it is necessary to mention both the molecular orbital. Either they have electron or they don't have electron, and write their energies. And if bond order is 1, it is stable. Now another question. Helium molecule is not formed. Our question is helium molecule is not formed. Now helium molecule made up of 2 helium atoms. Atomic number of each helium is, answer is 2. Electronic configuration 1s2. This one. One is 2 electrons. Now we have 4 electrons, 2 in sigma 1s and 2 in sigma star 1s. Beta, in molecules all electrons are paired, diamagnetic. Electronic configuration of helium molecule is this one. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. This one. Now, bond order. Calculate the bond order for helium molecule. Now, bonding electrons are 2, anti-bondings are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Whole is 0. If there is no bond between two atoms, that molecule does not exist. Or you will write, learn, if bond order is 0. If bond order is 0, molecule does not exist. If bond order is 0, molecule does not exist.